how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile in 2024. This works on Android, iPhone, and iPad. Okay guys, it's simple. Go to the lower right corner, then go to Settings. We are in the Roblox Mobile app, by the way. Okay, so now go to Account Info. This is the most important screen because this is where you enter your birthday. You have to be at least 13 years old. Now, if you have your birthday correctly entered, go back here and let's go to Privacy. Most people will see Enable Voice Chat option here at the top, but if not, let's go back to Account Info and go to Verify My App button. Now, on this identity verification page, go to Start Session and tap Begin Verifying. Choose your country and submit. Now, choose your driver's license, and you'll be asked to take a picture of the front of your driver's license or other ID. So go ahead and do that. Just place your driver's license in front of the phone, turn it around and scan the other side because Roblox needs the code in the back too. And then they will ask you to take a picture of yourself, look left and right, and that's it. And you should get this note age verified. So let's go back to Privacy. This is where the voice chat is. You can get voice chat here by enabling it. Okay guys, if you're facing any trouble with this, please post a comment so somebody else can answer your question. This video was about how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile.